Welcome to MarineMax. My name is Keith Abel, and I am the Boston Whaler Specialist in New England. Today I'm going to take you through the 250 Outrage Boston Whaler 2018. This boat is equipped with a platinum hull color, black boot stripe, and black graphics. This is Boston Whaler's 60th anniversary edition. The boat is powered by twin 225 Mercury Verado engines with stainless steel props. As we climb our 4-step stainless steel swim ladder, we are welcomed by this purposely engineered center console with tandem captain chairs, a beautiful dash, and plenty of room for electronics. As we move towards the transom of the boat, we see a transom live well. There's also a flip-up, flip-down seat, freshwater shower, and as we come around to the port side of the boat, we're going to move forward to the bow, where we have some bow storage, bow cushions, electric windlass, stainless steel anchor, and there's a spot for your optional bow table. Also plenty of cup holders. You can see that the center console is completely enclosed by glass with a vent window. As we come around to the starboard side, there is the enormous stand-up head with a vacuum flush head, a shower, and storage. For more information on the 250 Outrage Boston Whaler 2018, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.